Hello, everyone. Welcome to virtual learning again. Ms. Welch isn't feeling very well still, so I can't teach virtually yet. I'm not quite there. So I'm going to create a video explaining what it is you're going to be working on in class Tuesday and Wednesday. So before we left for break, you guys should, emphasis on the word should, have completed your 3.08 graphic organizer outlining your entire essay. If that's not done, what are you waiting for? Hit pause. Go finish that right now. We'll wait. Okay, those of you that did have it done, your goal for the next 2 days is to write your 4-paragraph essay. You're going to want to have your 3.02 assignment, your 3.05 assignment, your outline. You're going to want a copy of the text itself. And then your focus for Tuesday is going to be writing your introduction and your first body paragraph. Now, I'll be including this in a written format as well for you to refer back to, but your intro must include a hook. Give me something that will get your reader's attention. A great hook could be a fact, a quote, a statistic, something that will grab my attention. I'm also going to need background information. You're going to want to explain to me what this letter is, why was he writing it, what's the big deal, before you jump into your literary analysis of this letter. Then body paragraph 1 is supposed to focus on how he used comparative figurative language to illustrate what life was like for African American people during this time. You're going to want to make sure that you're following the outline you created. You guys should have created a topic sentence. You should have 2 concrete details. And for both of those concrete details, you should have 2 to 3 sentences supporting them. You are going to want to make sure that you are not just regurgitating what you had on your outline, but that you're now creating it into a more cohesive paragraph. So if someone was reading it, they would feel like they are being shared important information rather than just looking at a bulleted list of what's important. You want to make it so your readers are understanding the points that you're trying to get across. You are also going to want to make sure that you are creating this on your own independent Google Doc. Name it, star this doc, because you're going to be working on it for the next 2 weeks. Your goal for Wednesday is to write your second body paragraph on the structure of his argument. Now, remember, you were supposed to find one piece of evidence that showed that he gave facts and evidence to show what life was like for African American people. And then your second piece of evidence that you were supposed to use in that paragraph is his claim, which is in paragraph 10, those last 2 sentences. And you want to use that to explain how him waiting until the end of his essay to state his claim was effective. And then you want to follow the outline for your conclusion as well. You want to restate your thesis, give that universal meaning, the so what, why should I care? And then really just bring it back to the real world. I know a lot of you guys can get stuck a lot with writing. So please, please, please follow your outline. Refer back to it when you get stuck. Make sure that you're making all the same points that you did on your outline. And in just a second, I'm going to pause and I'm going to go to the outline to show you what I mean.